All right, now let's see what we got inside a calculator, okay, with a printer capability. The, the cover of the printer is missing, but that's not a big deal. We cut the cable already. There's nothing over here. This is the printer part, and this is the circuit board. Who does the calculation basically? Basically, there are two circuit board. This is for the keypad, and this is basically kind of main board, I would say. And this is the LCD kind screen. This is the printer part. They are all connected to each other. I mean, we can cut off this connecting cable, but let us not do it. Okay, because there are no screws that we can unscrew anymore, so let's just keep it like it. All these things come out if we want. Our intention is to show the inside as much as we could while we maintain the kind of the integrity of the whole machine, whatever it is. See, these parts, then they come out if we have to. Keep it up there. Here. I just want to show one how to take it out. You see there's a screw over here. Look. So we do it one by one for each. So anyway, let us not do it because it's gonna be waste of time now. But as you see, you can push down all this and you can take all these keys out of it. But that's basically it. Okay, let me put it over here. So I think we are all done.